Whew. It is so hot. So hot. Okay. Whew. All right, let's see. Okay. Priming. Here we go. We got a lot of electrical being done. Wiring up lights. I see a lot of lights are put in. Storage. More storage. Manager's office. Yeah, it seems like the main changes are lighting. Yeah, lighting and a towel. Can't remember if it was done last time I recorded or not. I think it was. More lighting over there. And got street lighting out there. Light post and put out there. All right. Some of the facade on the back here. It's been put in it. Okay, so yep, clearly not real brick, just a little brick veneer. Oh, here we go. Here's one standing up down here. I really paid attention, but didn't realize it was a veneer. Okay. We got more lights that have been put in here. All the exterior lights, it looks like they've been installed. This was being worked on, but it looks completed now. Trash enclosure. Yep, lights all the way around. Alright. That looks like that's it for this week. Thanks for watching.